Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if keeps vibration Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side button. After side click on hold side button, so you will see restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update, and you will see first option is software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. Sorry. And click on backup and reset. Reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if keeps vibration on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.